Welcome. If you're looking to make your Messenger app even easier to access on your Android device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add Messenger to your home screen in just a few simple steps. This guide is updated for the latest Android versions, so you can follow along with confidence. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your app drawer. This is where all your installed apps are located. Scroll through the list until you find the Messenger icon. It's usually a blue chat bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Now here's the key part. Tap and hold the Messenger icon. After a second or two, you'll notice the icon lifts slightly and your screen will change. Depending on your phone model, you might see a menu pop up with options like App Info or Uninstall. Ignore those for now and focus on the option that says Add to Home or Add to Home Screen. If you see that, simply tap it. If you don't see the Add to Home option, don't worry. You can still add Messenger by dragging. While still holding the Messenger icon, drag it towards the edge of your screen. Your home screen will appear, and you can move the icon to your preferred spot. Release your finger to drop Messenger right where you want it. Take a moment to arrange the icon wherever it's most convenient for you. Maybe you want it front and center, or tucked away in a folder with your other social apps. The choice is yours, and that's it. Messenger is now just a single tap away, right from your home screen. No more scrolling through your app drawer or searching for the icon. You're all set to chat with friends and family in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Messenger access.